Hi, in this lesson we'll take a look at how we can add a multi-factor authentication to our AWS root account in order to add the extra layer of protection to our account. To get started, we'll go ahead and type in the address bar aws.amazon.com, and then we'll click on sign in. And then we'll make sure that we select the first option, which is the root user, and then add email address, and then we'll put in our password. Okay, and then we'll go to IAM, so we can click on this option, or we can just come here and type IAM. And we'll want to select the first option here. And then from here we can either click on, in the dashboard we can click on add MFA here, or our second option would be to come here in the top right hand corner and then select credentials. And then I'm just going to use this option here, security credentials. And then that takes you to my security credentials area, and then from here you can just click on assign MFA, and then for our name you can basically put in any name that you want here. So for in this demo I'll use root MFA as a naming. You can add any naming convention that you'd like. So I'll go next, and then we'll just select show QR code. Okay, in my case I will use Authenticator app, so that's the Microsoft Authenticator that I'm using for this. And then just add, click on show barcode. Okay, and now that I've scanned the barcode, I will put in the passcode here, which is and then wait for the next code. And then click on add MFA. Okay, now that we've added MFA, now if we go back to the main dashboard, actually you can see here immediately we've got the MFA device assigned. So now if we go back to the main dashboard, and at the minute you see this, but if you click on refresh, so you can see that now that it's disappeared. So now we'll test our MFA that is working correctly. So we'll log out. Okay, and then we'll click on log back in, and then make sure this option is selected once again. Then we'll add our email address here, and then our password. Sign in, and then we'll add the MFA code. So the MFA code, and then submit. And now if you go to IAM, once again you can see the MFA prompt is no longer here. So we have now successfully logged in, and we have set up MFA for our root account. So that concludes this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.